So are you new to YouTube and just trying to get your first like 100 subscribers? I know, I've been there. I just did it. It was not the easiest. Like literally, I know when I first started I was struggling. I hit up to 30 and I was proud. Literally that took me almost a year. Until I started implementing a couple new tactics and I was able to grow my YouTube channel 100 subscribers within 2 weeks. Like literally. So, if you want to see how I did that, I'll show you step by step how I did it. Keep on watching. So I'm gonna give you like a little brief overview of like how I did it, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit of the journey along the way. I'm gonna show you some of my YouTube analytics, show you a little bit of the behind the scenes, so you kind of get an idea of what your numbers could maybe look like if you're as cool as me. So I'm about to jump into the YouTube analytics and show you kind of how this works. Okay, what I kind of did was I started posting shorts in around October of 2022, and I was just trying it out, seeing how it worked, and a couple of them got like a good amount of views, like a couple hundred, when my regular videos were only getting like 7 views, my long form videos. So I was like, okay, shorts is really where it's at. So I started posting more and more and more, and then I started being a bit more consistent between January and February of 2023. So when I started being consistent, I noticed a pattern of the kind of videos that were actually doing well. And so I just made more videos kind of like that one, which happened to be my dancing videos, my dancing and workout and like fitness videos. So if you're interested in seeing any of those are my shorts. Go ahead, check them out. And you can see what I did to get 100 subscribers in 2 weeks. So yeah, and let's hop into the YouTube analytics and see exactly how it went. Alright, so let's head on over to my content, and I'll show you guys kind of a thing or two about the videos I've been posting. Let's change this to 50 so we can see more. So, I started posting about, I think last October and January, in October 2022 about, so it was a while ago, about like, but it was really inconsistent back then. See, I had all different types of like different kind of videos. So this is when I kind of started posting reels. Shorts. Since we're on YouTube, I kind of started posting them about kind of August a little bit, October a little bit, then November. Just trying out different things. Had all different kinds, and then I kind of started taking it more seriously. Like over like November, I started doing it more often. December more often. Still not every single day, but closer to the end of the year, I started posting mostly every day. And then see, by the 23rd of January, of January 2023, I was posting consistent content. Because if you see, I got 112 views on my first like dancing video. It was me dancing to Survivor from Destiny's Child, and I was kind of doing a workout too. So I continued to post like things that interested me, but also I got 1,666 of this dancing video, the views from this dancing video. So I was like, maybe I should just start posting dancing and workout videos. So that's why I started posting. I started posting like me doing different dances to different songs, different workouts, and that's just kind of the style that I kept going for. I keep like blending different things in, but see, look, 1,888 views. Like it just kept going up and up. 2,240 views for my Flower Miley Cyrus dance and workout video. and it just started blowing up from there. So I was like, okay, obviously I found a good niche, so I'm gonna keep making videos similar to that. So I've been making mostly like dancing and workout videos, and they have been growing. Look, mostly all my posts get like 1,000 to 2,000 views at least. So it's like, the point is you gotta just start and figure out what kind of niche your audience really likes, and when you find something that's working, keep doing it, you know? And so I kind of always make sure I have like kind of a funny looking like screen grab for my picture view or whatever you call it, for my I always forget that word. What are they called? It's shorts, yeah, for my shorts. But yeah, so when I posted on February 14th, that was when I finally, it's probably on the next page, when I finally, let me go to the next page, reached 100 subscribers. Yeah. So it took me about like, I'd say about 3 weeks, because I started consistently posting in between like January 23rd and like the 28th. So about 2 to 3 weeks, and I already had like 100 subscribers. Let's say 3 weeks, because I started with 30. So within about 2 weeks of consistently posting, like, I literally gained 100 subscribers. Literally. And so I just kept trying to do that for as long as I can. And that's what I'm working on now, making different types of shorts and just, consistently posting every day. And now I'm at 222 subscribers. And literally it took me like a year to get my first 30 subscribers. And see, so it's like these shorts really boost your channel, so you've got to start using shorts. Like, whether you're used to it or not, you could even use clips from your original long form video to make into a short, and people will be able to like see what your long form video is about, and they'll probably want to go to your channel and click it. Like, I posted a couple of long form videos too, like I try to do at least one a week. So I posted this one about how to meditate for beginners, and see, it's only got 7 views, but the shorts are getting 1,382, So it's so important, you gotta start posting shorts like now. So that's one of my biggest takeaways. Start posting shorts now. Figure out what your audience is liking and start doing more of that. And literally, your subscribers, you will meet 100 subscribers within like 2 to 3 weeks. Like, not for sure, but this is what happened to me, and I bet you it could happen to you too. If it could happen to me, it could happen to anyone. So start making shorts, like, as soon as possible. So not many people really want to share their YouTube analytics, especially when they're first starting out. So can I get a like just for, sharing some of that intimate, like, information that so many people don't like to share in the beginning, because those aren't the biggest numbers, but you gotta start somewhere. And I just wanted to be transparent to show you how good you can get a start on YouTube with just like starting with short form content. Like, what I like to do is I started this new method where I literally do 3 shorts a day. So I do 3 shorts a day. I try to do like 1 long video a week and like 3 shorts a day. So it's not been easy, but do you want to see how that's going for me? I think I'm thinking about making a video of like what happened when I did 3 short uploads a day for 30 days and like see how it affected my channel. So if you're interested in that one, give this video a like so I know you guys are interested, and I'll start working on that one. But yeah, So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I think it's like over here, you know, down there. Press that subscribe button. So you get like, and then turn on the bell note icon so you get notified every time I upload a cool new video. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Give you a little bit of insight of how it is to be a new YouTuber. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. So, Squally Wally, saying bye. See you later. Thanks.